eToro Europe Crypto Pricing explained what you get for your money. eToro is well known for social trading, but most people get this wrong. They assume crypto trading is free or that fees are hidden. In reality, eToro charges a spread on every crypto trade, which is its primary source of cost. Spreads vary depending on the cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin trades might have a spread around 0.75%, while smaller altcoins could be higher, sometimes exceeding 1%. There are no deposit fees for bank transfers in Europe, but credit or debit card deposits may include a small fee. Withdrawals carry a flat fee off, and network fees apply when moving crypto off-platform. eToro offers a simple interface for beginners, alongside advanced charting tools for experienced traders. Users benefit from transparent pricing on spreads, clearly displayed before confirming trades. Copy trading is another feature that allows you to follow other investors, but it does incur extra platform fees beyond normal spreads. In conclusion, eToro provides a user-friendly and transparent way for Europeans to trade crypto. By understanding spreads, deposit and withdrawal fees, and network costs, you can optimize trading decisions. For anyone interested in combining trading with social features, eToro offers an accessible and reliable platform.